Hello everyone, we are at Beyond the Formula. Let's see what is the angle between the two planes and its value. So consider two plane. We have suppose this as plane 1, this as plane 1 and suppose this as plane 2. Right? They are intersecting and we have this angle theta. They are intersecting at this line. Right? So we have this is plane 2. Now we need to calculate this angle theta. We don't have any other parameters or any other supporting vector or line. We only have what? Normal vector. We only have normal vector to plane. Right? We also used this normal vector in the equation of the plane. Correct? So suppose we have the horizontal plane as P1 or plane 1, which will have the vector n1, and we have the horizontal plane n2. We have horizontal plane n2, which will have the normal vector n2 vector. Correct? We have the plane p2, which will have the normal vector n2. Correct? Now let's see here. We have this combined angle. This combined angle is 90. Correct? We have this combined angle as 90, and we already have this angle as theta. We already have this angle as theta. So we have this angle, the angle between P2 and N1. The angle between P2 and N1 is 90 minus theta. Correct? Now we have this angle, the angle of P2 and N2. This is 90. Correct? The angle between P2 and N2, it is 90 degree, because N2 is the normal to the plane N2, P2. Now we have this angle. Now we want to calculate this angle. So what do we have? 90 minus what? We can say we have this complete 90 and we have this angle as 90 minus theta. So if I subtract 90 minus theta, right, that is this whole angle, this blue color whole angle 90 minus this angle, suppose this, so 90 minus 1 angle 1, we have 90 minus theta, which is equals theta. So nothing but this is also theta, which implies that the angle between planes is equal to angle between their normal vectors. Right? Now how to calculate the angle between two vectors? Using cos theta, right? So we have n1 vector as, suppose, a1 I cap plus b1 j cap plus c1 k cap, and n2 vector as a2 I cap plus b2 j cap plus c2 k cap. So we have cos theta as in vector form, we have n1 vector dot n2 vector divided by n1 vector magnitude times n2 vector magnitude, or we have a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 divided by root over a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square times root over a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. So this is the angle between the two planes, right? Thanks.